Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear cache on Vivo Y03t to free up space. If you're using Vivo Y03 and now you want to clear your cache files to free up your space, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to install a third-party application for this because it's very frustrating to delete or clear all the cache files of every app one by one. You just have to install a third-party app. Just go to Play Store and here you just have to go to search bar and here you have to search for CC cleaner. Just search for it and then you have to install this application. As you can see, I have already installed it, so I'm going to open this one. Just tap on it and it will be open. Here it will scan your device, and after scanning it will give you a result that you have used this percent of your space, and here you have the free up space. As I have already used this one, so it has cleaned up to 5 to 10% of my space, as I have 46% now. So by this you can easily clear your cache file. So that's how you can easily clear cache on your Vivo Y03t and free up your space. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.